We do row quite a bit. Well, we don't now. We used to. We don't now. What we do now is we have an unofficial game where we just drop a little insult in early in the day. And then you just leave it to fester for the rest of the day. And you can't rise to it straight away, because if you rise to it straight away, you've lost because you've shown pain, and that's what that fucker's after. What the other person says hurts you, you just poker face that shit, and you bank it till about 4:30 in the afternoon. So you've had a little bit of time to formulate a response. And my wife's very good at this. She's very clever. She just dropped into the conversation one day that my penis is average. There you go, deal with that, dickhead. So I left it, and it got to about 4:30, and I said, "You're a slag." That's all I had. All day. I was too fucking angry. I couldn't think straight. I was fucking raging. I'm not bothered she thinks it's average. I'm just bothered she's had enough fucking cock to constitute a survey. Is what I'm bothered about.